Welcome back to Old Studio Car, the channel where we take a deep look into the classics that shaped the automotive world. Today, we're revisiting a name that once ruled the compact car scene across Europe and beyond, the Ford Escort, produced from 1981 to 2003. Over 2 decades, this car evolved through multiple generations, each with its own style, performance updates, and loyal following. In this video, we'll explore the Escort's exterior evolution, performance capabilities, fuel efficiency, and current market price for those considering owning one of these iconic machines today. The Ford Escort first appeared in its third generation in 1981, marking a sharp turn from the boxy rear-wheel drive models of the 1970s to a more modern, front-wheel drive design. This shift made the car lighter, more efficient, and easier to handle for everyday drivers. The design language was fresh for its time. Sleek lines, angular headlights, and a sloping rear end that gave it a sporty yet practical appeal. Over the years, Ford refined the exterior design, introducing smoother body curves, more aerodynamic shapes, and better build quality. By the time the Escort reached its 5th and 6th generations in the 1990s, it had taken on a more rounded, contemporary appearance. Models like the 1995 Escort featured body-colored bumpers, refined grilles, and optional alloy wheels that enhanced its curb appeal. Even today, when you see a well-maintained Escort on the road, it carries a nostalgic charm. Its compact dimensions and simple design have aged surprisingly well, appealing to both classic car enthusiasts and those who appreciate straightforward engineering. When it comes to performance, the Ford Escort has always offered a balanced mix of economy and practicality rather than raw power. Early 1980s models came with a range of engines, from a modest 1.1-liter to a livelier 1.6-liter option. These engines delivered between 55 and 90 horsepower, enough for city driving and the occasional highway run. The XR3 and later RS2000 variants, however, were a different story. These performance versions brought sportier suspensions, fuel-injected engines, and more aggressive styling. The 2000 rupees, for instance, could push out over 150 horsepower, giving it a top speed close to 130 miles per hour. It was quick, responsive, and handled corners with confidence, making it a favorite among rally enthusiasts and tuning fans. The Escort's performance continued to evolve through the 1990s. The 1.6 and 1.8-liter Zetec engines were some of the best Ford produced during that period, reliable, smooth, and efficient. The driving experience was straightforward but enjoyable, with light steering, a predictable clutch, and decent road feedback. It wasn't a sports car by any means, but it offered a solid, dependable performance that made it one of the most popular family cars of its era. Fuel economy was another strong point for the Escort. Depending on the engine and model year, you could expect between 30 and 40 miles per gallon, or roughly 12 to 15 kilometers per liter. Diesel variants, introduced later, were even more economical, sometimes exceeding 45 miles per gallon on longer trips. For its time, this efficiency was a major selling point, especially with rising fuel costs during the 1980s and 1990s. In terms of comfort and features, later models of the Escort brought significant improvements. The interior design became more ergonomic, seats offered better support, and Ford added practical features like electric windows, power steering, and upgraded audio systems. While it may not match modern standards of technology, the simplicity and durability of the Escort's interior remain one of its greatest strengths today. Now, let's talk about current pricing. The Ford Escort is no longer in production, but it remains popular among collectors and those who appreciate classic daily drivers. Depending on the year, condition, and model, prices vary widely. A basic late 1990s Escort in fair condition might cost around $1,500 to $3,000, while well-preserved or performance models like the XR3 or RS2000 can command anywhere from $8,000 to over $20,000. Restored versions with original parts are particularly desirable, and their value continues to rise as the car gains classic status. So, what makes the Ford Escort special today? It's the combination of reliability, affordability, and historical significance. This was the car that carried millions of families, students, and workers through daily life for over 2 decades. It also became a motorsport legend, proving its versatility on rally tracks across the world. Even today, Enthusiasts keep the Escort spirit alive through restorations and modifications. That's our deep dive into the Ford Escort from 1981 to 2003. A car that defined an era with its practicality, modest charm, and enduring performance. If you've ever owned an Escort, or still drive one today, tell us your story in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Old Studio Car for more reviews of classic icons that shaped automotive history.